Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the first Exchange for Media and Network to Media OOH 2011 Awards for Outdoor Advertising and Digital Signage. Awards that honor individuals and organizations for their outstanding piece of work in outdoor advertising. Our aim is to reward strategic thinking, innovation, creativity, and effectiveness. Making these awards a platform to showcase the best of outdoor advertising in India. In its inaugural year, OOH 2011 Awards feature the work done in India from 1st of September 2009 to 31st of August 2010. We initiated the process with inviting entries under various categories. The response was overwhelming. Numerous entries poured in from advertising agencies, media owners, and advertisers. These entries were then presented to a highly respected team of judges, led by Mr. Sam Balsara, Chairman and Managing Director of Madison World, along with Co-Chair Mr. Ashish Bhasin, Chairman India and CEO Southeast Asia for Aegis Media. Other jury members being Mr. Ajay Gehlot, Executive Creative Director for Ogilvy Delhi, Country Head Media for Philips India, Mr. Amit Tiwari, Mr. Binoy Roy Chaudhary, Executive Director for HT Media, the General Secretary for Delhi Outdoor Advertising Association, Mr. Mukesh Gupta, Chief Operating Officer of Mudra, Mr. Pratap Bose, Mr. Pratap Suthan, Founder of The Advisory, and Mr. Yogeshwar Sharma, Associate Vice President Operations for Select City Walk Mall. Held in New Delhi, the jury meet involved two levels of judging. The jury was divided into separate sub-jury groups, which appraised each entry received. A shortlist was prepared thereafter for the second level of judgment. This time, the full jury sat down to select the best among the shortlisted entries, choosing winners for gold, silver, and bronze awards in 18 separate categories. Apart from these, 4 other winners were selected by the jury, commending their overall excellence in out of home.
I'm really pleasantly surprised by the large number of entries. I mean, we have got over 350 entries, and considering it's just the first time that these awards have been organized, shows the kind of enthusiasm and energy that's being displayed for a medium which is very, very new and young.
Well, I was very pleased to see that the process followed was very robust. It was pretty elaborate, I would say a bit tiring for some of the jury members, and they have been complaining a bit about that, but it is necessary to have a step-by-step, impartial and a well thought out process. Also, what I liked about it was that the jury was multifaceted. So there were people from the client side, there were people from the creative side, people who from media planning agencies, media buying and planning agencies, some media owners as well. So it was a very good mix, and therefore you get different views because everybody looks at the same thing from different points of view. So I think the composition of the jury was excellent.
I think the judging process was extremely fair. No one voted for their own work, which was fair, and by and large, I think it was pretty well organized.
What I particularly liked was that there wasn't an excessive focus only on the creative aspect, but all the aspects of the out-of-home industry were looked at.
It's a great initiative. Outdoor media is one of the most mobile mediums. It's the most visible medium. It's one of the mediums that are fast expanding in terms of its creativity and the kind of. And because technology is coming to it in a big way, there are lots more things that you can expect. So I think if you guys didn't do it, somebody else would have done it. And I'm so glad that you guys did it.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we bring you the nominations of the first Exchange for Media and Network to Media OOH 2011 Awards for Outdoor Advertising and Digital Signage. Coming up first, we have the best innovations in OOH. Under this category, first up, we have the award for the most innovative use of the existing outdoor media. Recognizing the best campaign that used the OOH medium in a manner unseen before. The nominees are Kinetic Outdoor for Pepsi, Kinetic Outdoor for Surf Excel, Mudra Max for Volkswagen, Mudra Max for Birla Life Insurance and Mudra Max for National Association for Blind.